Ladies and gentlemen, students, and esteemed colleagues, today we delve into the life and contributions of Aenesidemus, an intriguing figure in the history of philosophy whose skeptical perspectives have had a lasting impact on the field. Aenesidemus was a Pyrrhonian philosopher who lived during the 1st century BC. He was a prominent figure within the skeptical school of thought, which traces its origins back to Pyrrho of Elis. Aenesidemus is most renowned for his revival and reformulation of Pyrrhonian skepticism, which had a significant influence on later philosophical traditions. Pyrrhonian skepticism. At the heart of Aenesidemus' philosophy lies Pyrrhonian skepticism. This form of skepticism holds that we should suspend judgment about the truth or falsity of all beliefs and propositions. Aenesidemus emphasizes the idea that we should refrain from making any claims about the way things truly are, as our sensory experiences can be deceptive and our cognitive processes are fallible. This stance aims to achieve a stance of ataraxia, or tranquility, by freeing oneself from the grip of dogmatic beliefs. The 10 modes. Aenesidemus is particularly known for his formulation of the 10 modes of Aenesidemus. These modes are a set of skeptical arguments and considerations that cast doubt on our ability to attain knowledge or certainty in any area of inquiry. They include arguments based on the reality of perception, the diversity of beliefs among different cultures, and the limitations of human cognitive faculties. These modes continue to be studied and debated by philosophers interested in skepticism and epistemology. Influence on later philosophers. Aenesidemus' work had a significant influence on later philosophers, especially during the Renaissance and early modern periods. His skeptical ideas were revived and adapted by philosophers like Michel de Montaigne and René Descartes. Descartes in particular, and engaged with Aenesidemus' skepticism as he formulated his own epistemological project, famously culminating the statement, "Cogito ergo sum," I think, therefore I am. Epistemological questions. Aenesidemus' skeptical challenges raise important epistemological questions that continue to be explored in contemporary philosophy. His emphasis on the fallibility of human cognition and the limits of our knowledge invites us to critically examine the foundations of our beliefs and the criteria for justified beliefs. Pyrrhonian legacy. Aenesidemus' revival of Pyrrhonian skepticism represents a significant chapter in the history of philosophy. His ideas have inspired generations of philosophers to grapple with the nature and limits of human knowledge, skepticism, and their pursuit of intellectual humility. To summarize, Aenesidemus' contributions to philosophy, particularly in the realm of skepticism, have left an indelible mark on the history of thought. His 10 modes and skeptical challenges continue to be subjects of study and debate, reminding us of the enduring relevance of philosophical skepticism in our quest for understanding and wisdom. As we engage with Aenesidemus' ideas, we are reminded of the importance of intellectual